Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Samsbeauty. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have another unit from the Wet Lace collection by Sensationnel. We have her in Brielle in the color T2/27. So here she is in all her beautiful blonde glory. She looks so beautiful. And here is her cap construction. She is average to big head friendly, and I do have a larger size head. She does come with your standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And of course it also features the 13x6 HD lace, as the Wet Lace collection does. So here's how she looks directly onto my head. I'm seeing if there's any shedding or tangling. There is both, a little bit of both, okay? Mainly because of the color and the fact that this is really long. So I'm just going to go ahead and tint my lace. And this just helps so that the lace doesn't look like very ashy and cast, like, you know, like it just doesn't look like that light ashy cast. As you guys can see, it's blending in now. So now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to secure about maybe like 6 inches across. And I'm doing this because I'm going to do a half up, half down style, but I don't need to do the whole frontal. You can do it if you want to. But now I'm just going to go ahead and work in that hairspray and kind of like lay down the hairspray with the comb and kind of push it into my scalp so that it can look, you know, scalp like when I'm done. So I'm just gonna take the comb, run it through, and then run it back with the back of the comb just so that it's able to lay as flat as possible. So I hope I'm describing that right, but you guys can see what I'm doing. Like, I'm running it through, kind of pushing it down, and then bringing it back down and pushing it down. And then I'm just taking a makeup wipe to wipe away any excess hairspray. And then now I'm going to take an elastic band, and excuse this one, I used it like 2 times, but I'll try to get as much use as I can before I throw it out because I don't like to be wasteful. But I'm tying that, and then I left it on for 5 minutes. And now that I'm taking it off, it is nice and melted, and I didn't use the blow dryer at all, but you guys see it is nice and melted, and it'll look better even when I put my makeup on. That's one of the tricks too, but I didn't include that in the video. So now I'm just applying some wig control spray so that I can go ahead and detangle the area hair that I'm going to be putting in a ponytail. Just so that it's not tangled, of course, and so that I can get the best ponytail up there as possible. And I'm not doing this super tight, but I am going to do it tight to the point where it will be neat. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the hair. I'm going to go in and detangle the rest of the hair. I did already spray the hairspray off camera, or I think I cut that part out, but just know that I did apply the wig control spray. I feel like that helps out a lot. You guys can actually also find that hairspray at Samsbeauty. I find that it is one of my top 3 for wig control spray, especially for synthetic units. It works really, really well, and it also reduces the shedding, and it works well with like all fibers, whether they're high quality or low quality. So here is the finished look, and I'll finish out with my final thoughts.
This Baddie, baby, oh, yeah, Vicky, bad man, I see, Bulaka.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so you guys have seen me install this unit, and you've seen the cap construction and all that good stuff. So now I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So today we have another unit from the Wet Lace collection by Sensationnel. This one is in the style Brielle, and today I have her in the color T2/27, and I just feel like she is so gorgeous. Like, how freaking gorgeous is she? Okay, like, she's serving and giving what needs to be gave, honey. Okay, so yeah, she is really, really pretty. I'm loving this color. I feel like it really complements my skin tone really well. This is one of my favorite blondes. I already just love this style. Like, this style is just so freaking pretty. I love the hairline. I love just everything about it. As you guys can see, it is looking flawless, okay? Like flawless, okay? This is coming out of my scalp, okay? And you can't tell me any different. This is my hair, honey. So yeah, the hairline is impeccable, of course. What else do we expect from Sensationnel? So that's no surprise there. And I really like the hair. You will get some shedding from this one. As you guys seen this week, I have been doing blonde units. Blonde units, for whatever reason, whether they're human or synthetic, they will go ahead and give you a little bit of shedding, and I believe it's because of the coloring process. That's just what I believe. I don't know if it's true. But once you go ahead and use your wig control spray, which you can also find this at Samsbeauty as well, so make sure you guys pick up some wig spray if you're going to get this color. Even if you're going to get any synthetic wigs, I feel like this is key and essential to have in your wig kit if you're going to be wearing wigs. But I just feel like once you brush through it with a paddle brush and you put on some wig control spray, it will be absolutely fine after that, because now like I'm able to run my fingers through the hair without getting any snags or anything or shedding. Yeah, overall this unit is absolutely gorgeous, super easy to install. As you guys seen, I just installed like this part right here because honestly, you're like, for me, I'm like one of those lazy installers, and then plus like I don't want like all that product like all along my hairline. If the style calls for it, then I will go ahead and install it. But if I'm gonna wear a style where, you know, like nobody's gonna see this, or I make sure I'm not clockable, okay? So if the wind blows, like I'm not gonna be clockable, just go ahead and put your bobby pins there. Make sure you lay this part and you're good to go, okay? You don't always have to lay it, especially because I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just filming this video, and I do that even when I'm going out somewhere. So I wanted to share with you guys like how I do it in detail. I took my time today and share with you guys like how I do this, and I just feel like it's really good. It looks good. You would never know that I didn't install the whole frontal anyways if I didn't tell you. But yeah, overall overall I really do love this wig. I would definitely recommend it. You do not have to get her in this color. They do have a lot of colors, so here are all the colors that they have. So they do have natural colors as well. So yeah, you don't have to get this color. You can get something that's more natural, or you know, if you want to have a little fun, okay, you want to get your sexy on, because they say blondes have more fun, you can go ahead and get this or whatever color you want. But I'm really feeling this on me. You guys can let me know if you're feeling it on me or not, or if you would try it out, let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you did find this video very helpful and easy to follow, then please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you feel. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this unit? Would you try this color? Just talk to me. I'm nosy. I want to know what's going on with you and what you would try, what you wouldn't try, and what you have tried. Just let me know. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.